วัสดีค่ะ everyone! As every Monday, today I will show you a new recipe. But today is a special day, at least for you. This is why I wear that lovely head decoration. Here in Thailand, we don't really celebrate Christmas, since in Thailand it's mostly Buddhist. But I still wanted to show you a Thai recipe that is a perfect fit for Christmas or even New Year Eve dinner. The name is Toong Tong or golden bag. I will serve with mango salsa. Are you ready? Let's go! Since we are going to do two different dishes, I will split ingredients in two parts. For Toong Tong, we need rice pepper, spring onion, garlic, white pepper, sugar, mushroom, minced pork, shrimp, mushroom soy sauce, sesame oil, and root of coriander. For mango salsa, we need sweet mango, lime, coriander, red bell pepper, black pepper, and shallot. I will start with stuff for Toong Tong. Let's begin with shrimp, mushroom, and minced pork. Finely chopped mushroom. Just add the minced pork. Now I will add Thai seasoning to Toong Tong stuff. Let's peel the garlic skin. Oops! For now, we need just coriander root. As most of the time for Thai seasoning, we will use a mortar. Two teaspoons of sugar, sesame oil, mushroom soy sauce, and white pepper. Mix everything together. I got a trick from my mom to tie the Toong Tong. You can use spring onion, but you have to boil it and cut it half first to avoid any problem during deep fry. If you don't, the air will come inside and air plus hot oil. Pop, 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 pop. I boiled it already. Let's just cut it. Now comes the fun part, make the Toong Tong. It's easier to use a round rice pepper, so I will just cut a corner. Before deep fry Toong Tong, I am going to make mango salsa. First, cut shallot. Chop the shallot. Cut bell pepper. And now chop that bell pepper. Cut the mango. Chop the coriander. Cut lambs. Squeeze the lamb. Add salt. Add black pepper. Mix it. Be gentle with your mango. The combination of both Toong Tong and mango salsa is just awesome. It will make an explosion of many different tastes in your mouth. Tell me in the comments if you try it, or even if you would like to. 300 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's very cool. Thai food lover family is always growing. If you haven't yet, click on subscribe and hit the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. And shop that like button. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye